Imagine for a moment, what if I told you there's a hidden force that has been shaping your life from the shadows? A silent architect influencing your decisions, your opportunities, even the money in your pocket. Most people walk through life unaware of it, yet the few who discover it, harness it, and master it, end up creating empires, rewriting their destiny, and leaving the world in awe. That force is knowledge powered by artificial intelligence. And today, we're going to journey into a world where ChatGPT and AI are no longer just tools. They are weapons of success, instruments of wealth, and pathways to a life most only dream about. But before we begin, let me ask you, how many times have you had a brilliant idea but felt paralyzed because you didn't know where to start? How many times have you wished for someone or something that could guide you, write for you, think with you, and help you build your dream step by step? What if I told you that moment has arrived? And it's called ChatGPT. You see, most people think AI is just for techie, coders, or scientists. They think it's too complicated, too futuristic. But here's the truth. ChatGPT is the great equalizer. It doesn't care about your background, your degree, your job title, or where you come from. It gives the same power to a student in a small town as it does to a CEO in a skyscraper. And in that equality lies the biggest opportunity of our generation. Think about it. Throughout history, revolutions have created new classes of wealth. When electricity was discovered, those who understood it became industrial giants. When the internet arrived, those who saw the future became billionaires. And now, we are living inside another revolution, the AI revolution. And the question is not whether it will change the world. It already is. The real question is, will you be left behind? Or will you ride this wave into a future you never thought possible? Let's dive into what this really means. ChatGPT can write for you, brainstorm for you, create strategies for you, generate scripts, build business plans, even coach you through personal struggles. Imagine having an assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and delivers world-class results in seconds. That's the reality we live in now. But here's the catch. Only those who learn how to use it creatively with vision will turn it into money, freedom, and impact. Picture this. You wake up tomorrow with a brand new idea for a YouTube channel. Normally, you'd struggle for hours writing scripts, coming up with video ideas, and editing descriptions. But with ChatGPT, within minutes, you have a 10-video plan, full scripts, SEO-optimized descriptions, and trending hashtags ready to go. What used to take days now takes minutes, and the speed at which you can move becomes your ultimate advantage. But let's go even deeper. Imagine you're passionate about fitness, or finance, or storytelling. You could use ChatGPT to create ebooks, digital courses, or coaching programs. You don't need to be an expert at everything. You only need to know how to ask the right questions. And when you do, ChatGPT fills in the knowledge gaps and helps you package it into something people will pay for. Still, the biggest secret isn't just about making money, it's about multiplying your time. Think about this carefully. In life, there are only two currencies: time and money. Most people spend their time to earn money. The wealthy, however, flip the equation. They use tools, systems, and leverage to make money while saving time. ChatGPT is that leverage for you. It allows you to scale your efforts beyond what you thought was humanly possible. Now let me ask you something deeper. What would you do if you could free up 20 extra hours every week? Would you build that business you've been dreaming of? Would you spend more time with your family? Would you chase that passion you've been postponing for years? The point is, AI gives you back your most valuable asset, time. And those who realize this will dominate the future. But I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. Can it really change my life? And my answer is, only if you take it seriously. You see, most people will hear this message, nod their head, and go back to scrolling on their phone. They'll keep watching others rise while they remain stuck. But a few of you, maybe you watching right now, will feel that spark in your chest. That voice that says, "This is my chance." And when you listen to that voice, everything changes. The truth is, we are living in an age where excuses no longer hold weight. You can't say, "I don't know how to start." ChatGPT can guide you. You can't say, "I don't have resources." AI tools are either free or cheap. You can't say, "I don't have the time," because AI gives you the time. The only thing standing between you and your dream is your willingness to take action. Now, let's talk vision. Imagine fast-forwarding 5 years into the future. You mastered AI when everyone else doubted it. You built businesses, created content, wrote books, maybe even launched products with ChatGPT's help. People look at you in awe and ask, "How did you do it?" And you'll smile, knowing you saw the opportunity when others ignored it. That's the kind of future that's possible right now. And remember, AI is still in its early stages. It's like the internet in the 90s. Most people didn't believe in it. They said it was a fad. But those who believed, who built websites, who invested, who took action, are now the giants of our world. Today, you are standing at that same crossroad. One path is ignorance and comfort. The other is curiosity and courage. Which one will you choose? Here's what I'll leave you with. Don't just watch this revolution. Be part of it. Don't just consume what others create. Create something yourself. Don't just dream of freedom. Build it with the tools you have right now. Because one day you'll look back at this exact moment and realize it was either the day you stayed average or the day you chose mastery. So to you watching right now, dream big, act bold, and use the power of ChatGPT not just to make money, but to design the life you've always wanted. Because the future belongs to the ones who don't wait for change, but create it. And before you go, if this message spoke to you, if it stirred something inside, don't let it fade. Subscribe to this channel, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and join me as we uncover even deeper secrets of AI, motivation, and mastery. Because your journey is only just beginning.